Unraveling Idioms, lay it on thick. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, lay it on thick. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. So, let's get started and lay the foundation for a great learning experience. Lay it on thick is an idiom that paints quite a vivid picture with words. To lay something on thick means to exaggerate or overemphasize something, especially praise, flattery, or excuses. It's like spreading butter on bread, but imagine spreading a very thick layer. That's how the exaggeration is in this idiom. It's often used when someone is trying too hard to impress or convince another person, and it's so excessive that it may not seem sincere. The phrase, lay it on thick, has been in use for centuries, and it's believed to have originated from the old practice of plastering walls. When plaster was laid on too thickly, it had a tendency to crack or fall off, much like how excessive flattery or insincere praise can be seen as overdone or untrustworthy. Over time, the phrase evolved into a figurative expression used in everyday language. To fully grasp the idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. In flattery, imagine someone saying, "You're the most brilliant person I've ever met, and everything you do is perfect." If this praise is excessive and not entirely sincere, you could say they're laying it on thick. 2. In excuses, suppose a coworker is often late and always has an elaborate excuse like, "I was rescuing a kitten from a tree and then helped an old lady cross the street." They might be laying it on thick with their excuses. 3. In persuasion, picture a salesperson saying, "This product will solve all your problems, make you richer, and cook your breakfast." They're probably laying it on thick to make a sale. So, how do you recognize when someone is laying it on thick, and how should you respond? If the praise or excuses seem excessive or insincere, it's likely they're laying it on thick. A good response might be to politely acknowledge the comment but take it with a grain of salt, or gently point out that it seems a bit exaggerated. Today, we explored the rich tapestry of the English language by understanding the idiom, lay it on thick. Idioms like this add color and depth to our conversations, and knowing them can really amplify your language skills. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be laying your English foundations thicker and stronger every day. See you in the next video.